This is a picture of the stock shift knob. As you can see, it's pretty much worn out. The plastic is broken off of the the rubber plastic is broken off from the harder plastic mold. So I'm going to take this off and put on a different shift knob. And to remove this shift knob, essentially you just turn it to the left and take a little bit of effort, but you just keep turning it and it'll start to loosen up, and eventually, after probably about, I don't know how many rotations, the knob will screw off, come off just like that. Pretty simple. Honda shift knob, 5 speed in reverse, and that's it.